let's see how we can make a blurry background, and we're gonna use this app. It's called Tadaa SLR. I don't know how to say that, so let's just open it, and this is what we see, and we have to select a picture. So I'm gonna select this one, and I'm selecting this image for one reason, because I'm just gonna erase what I did before so it stays normal. And so yeah, I'm choosing this image because there's like different I would say layers in the picture. Here's one, which is my hand, myself, there's one person behind me, and in the background. So there's different layers, and so what we're gonna do is like just leave the app as it is, don't touch anything right now, and we're gonna go straight to mask right here on the bottom on the left side. We're gonna tap on that, and then I'm gonna make myself bigger, and then I'm gonna do this on the image. This app is very good for all this stuff. It's like very smart. You don't have to be like, you don't have to take care of it a lot. It gets the job done, you know. Let's do this and see how it works. You see, right here, boom, right here, this is my hand. Oh, I made a mistake here, sorry. I got a little bit excited, so we're gonna do this all over me. So what we're doing right now is we're telling the app that this is what we're gonna, that we need on focus. Anything else is gonna be out of focus. Right here, all this. You see, that's impressive, because a lot of apps you have to like be very precise, and it takes longer, you know, like to get the projects done, but this one is very good for that. So I'm almost done. You see? Wow, I love this app. So all the greenish stuff is gonna be on focus, and the rest is gonna be out of focus. So we're gonna tap on next now, and as you can see, the background is blurry. And right here on the bottom you have like different options. You can do this one right here, circular. You can pick whatever you want. You can do this, you see, you can make it smaller. Now you can do a lot of stuff with this app. You have also this option right here, and off, but we don't care about the option off. So on the last option right here, you can make it like super blurry. As you can see right now, it's so blurry. I'm just gonna save this image as it is, because I'm gonna need it for later. I'm gonna use that for the thumbnail, I'm thinking. And we can like go back to the project, make it less blurry and a little bit less. I guess around, like, if you see on top of the screen, you have like numbers, and this is to measure the strength of the effect. Let's see how it looks on 30. It looks good, you know. I'm gonna leave it on 30 and I'm gonna also save that one. Alright, just tap on apply, and before that you have like different choices here. Like these are like the ones that most apps have, like filters, adjust, like brightness, all that stuff, shadows, and crop the image, and all the familiar stuff, you know. Let's tap on save now, and let's compare the images. So we have like a crazy blurry background here, and we have like some regular one, and this is how it looks, the actual image without any effect. First image, second one, and third one. Let's go from the second one to the first one because the change is big. You see? No effect. Thanks for your time, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description.